Welcome back to Design Furniture. Today we're going to walk you through 7 simple steps to complete a living room makeover in 2024. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or do a total transformation, these decorating ideas will help you create a stylish and functional living room. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a color scheme. Step 1. Choose a color scheme. The right colors can set the tone for your living room. In 2024, trending color palettes include calming neutrals, bold jewel tones, and earthy shades. Step 2. Update your furniture. Step 2. Update your furniture. Invest in key pieces like a comfortable sofa, stylish coffee table, and functional storage units. Opt for furniture that reflects your style. Remember, comfort and durability are just as important as aesthetics. Step 3. Add lighting. Step 3. Add lighting. Good lighting can transform your living room. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider statement chandeliers and table lamps to add both function and style. Step 4. Incorporate textures and patterns. Step 4. Incorporate textures and patterns. Adding different textures and patterns can make your living room feel more dynamic and interesting. Mix materials like wood, metal, and fabric. Step 5. Personalize with decor. Step 5. Personalize with decor. Make your living room feel like home by adding personal touches. Display family photos. Incorporate decor items like vases, candles, and books to reflect your personality and style. Step 6. Greenery and plants. Step 6. Add greenery and plants. Plants can bring life and freshness to your living room. Choose low-maintenance indoor plants like succulents, snake plants, or fiddle leaf figs. Place them in stylish pots and planters to enhance your decor. Step 7. Arrange your space. Step 7. Arrange your space. How you arrange your furniture can impact the flow and functionality of your living room. Create conversation areas by grouping seating together. And there you have it, 7 steps to a complete living room makeover in 2024. From choosing a color scheme to arranging your space, these tips will help you create a living room that's both stylish and functional. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Design Furniture for more home decorating tips and inspiration. Have any living room makeover tips that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.